And ito, anything na bibigay sa inyo. So, yung hawak po ninyo na hindi balloon ay ilalagay nyo doon sa inyong tic-tac board. Right? Tic-tac board. Nalagay nyo, lagi ito punta doon ilalagay nyo sa tic-tac board. Ikinig po kayo, okay na. Yung hawak po ninyo na hindi balloon ay ilalagay doon sa tic-tac board. Okay po ba? Okay po ba? Okay. Okay naman? Bawat pair, you stand back to back. Back to back. Okay, so with each other. Stand back to back. Back to back po. Diba? You stand back to back, then place the balloon between you. Place the balloon between you. Okay na po yan? Mabilis na po yan. Ganito ha. Huwag po kahuhulog ang balloon. Huwag hawakan po ng kamay. From your position, okay, you go to the other end as fast as you could, then put the thing that was given to you by my face. Is that clear? Hindi po, hindi pa yung hawak kamay. Walang hawak kamay. Mataas ang kamay nyo. Get set! Diretso na tayo. Ready? Ilalagay na yung hawak ng object doon. Hindi lalampas ha? Hindi lalampas. Pagbalik, ganyan pa rin kayo. Tapos adjust naman yung sunod na